How to log in Home Street Bank online banking account. Hey everybody, welcome back to Official Help Desk. In today's video, I'm gonna guide you through the simple process of how you can get logged into your account. So without any further ado, let us get started. Head over to any of your web browser. At the top search bar, type in Home Street Login. Once you do so, you will see online personal banking at the first search result. Tap open it. Then you will get leaded to its official website. Here tap on the human icon. If you are about to access your personal account, tap on the personal, or if not, tap on business or loan. You will see this sign into personal banking account portal. In here, simply enter your user ID. Once done, tap on to continue. And when you continue, they will call you or send a text message to ask you to enter the one-time code. If you would like to continue, tap on continue with security code. In case you would like to use a different ID, just tap on enter different user ID. Here, repeat the same process and tap on to continue. In case you need help logging into your account, you can call this number given below. And if you don't have an account, you can tap on sign up and create yourself an account. Just like so, this is how you can do it. That wraps up today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then all you have to do is comment down below and we will make a video on that topic. In the meantime, do like this video and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell icon to never miss an update from us. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in our next upload.